better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think.
My name's Blurryface and I don't care what you think. My name's Blurryface and I don't care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's just
smell will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from?